Research indicates these dogs have high error rates, with accuracy around 50%, comparable to a coin toss. Some of these errors could stem from dogs' training, where they're conditioned to alert their handlers, even in the absence of drugs. Other false alerts might occur because dogs, aiming to please their handlers, may pick up on their body language and alert accordingly. After dogs are certified for drug detection, there is minimal oversight to continuously test their accuracy, which could potentially lead to ongoing usage of dogs with poor detection skills.